The burial of national hero Major General Retired Everisto Dzihwema at the National Heroes Acre was a solemn reminder of the true cause of Zimbabwe's liberation struggle. Lest you forget, land was the heart of Zimbabwe's liberation struggle. That was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina Manao, Pangwa in President Emerson Mnangagwa's speech, addressing mourners. President Emerson Mnangagwa reaffirmed that colonial land dispossession was the principal grievance that drove thousands of young Zimbabweans to take up arms in their fight for independence. The president recalled how colonial laws, including the Land Apportionment Act of 1930 and the Land Husbandry Act of 1956, forced African families from their fertile ancestral lands into overcrowded and unproductive reserves, stripping them of their livelihood, dignity, and economic independence. The Dzihwema family experienced this injustice firsthand, reflecting the suffering endured by countless Zimbabweans. President Mnangagwa stressed that the liberation war was not fought for personal gain, but to restore freedom, sovereignty, and the people's right to own their land. The sacrifices made by heroes such as Major General Dzihwema laid the foundation for an independent Zimbabwe and the land reform program. The president urged young generations to preserve this history and never take the nation's hard-won independence for granted. He emphasized that the greatest tribute to liberation heroes is to safeguard Zimbabwe's sovereignty, defend its land, and continue building a peaceful and prosperous nation in line with the aspirations for which they fought. Lest we forget, Zimbabwe's liberation was fought so that as people could reclaim their land, dignity, and destiny. Doma developments anokuda panguva ine speech yemutungamiri wenyika pa the burial ya comrade Everisto Dzihwema. Pinangwa message chemedu za fungulo eni moto ulipo on 0 page to create. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.